Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, let's start with US market. Now, Dow Jones closed at 34 points negative, Nasdaq closed at 10 points negative, and S&P 500 closed at 14 points negative. So, flat and mute session in US market. Now, let's talk about FII and DII data. Now, on previous session, FII they sold close to 4,600 crores, and DII they bought close to 6,333 crores. So FII are selling relentlessly. These are the cash stats. Now SGX Nifty showing a gap down opening of 50 points. Let's see where the pre-market settles. Now very interesting, look at crude oil. Now crude oil is at $83.58 and Brent crude it is at $87. So after the report came out, we saw some correction of close to 2 to 3% in both crude and Brent oil. So very good for our market too. Now, global markets are mostly positive after a very mute global, uncertainty. Still, there is no major things happening all over the world. It's very silent. That is why all the markets are recovering from its low. Let's see how long we can trust this recovery, whether any other news can still drag down our market and other markets heavily. Now let's talk about our market, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yesterday we saw some good bounce from lows, but still market is on a weaker side. Now Nifty closed at 25,261. The very short term support is kicking in at 24,000 and the resistance is now at 25,000. Now India VIX on previous session yesterday fell by close to 19%. This shows that panic amongst the investors and fear amongst the investors are decreasing. So that's a very positive thing. But still, me personally, till Nifty is below 25,000, it's a clearly sell on rise market. I will only buy about 25,000. I know it is kind of a 1,200 point range. For me, the support is now at 23,800 and the resistance now is at 25,000. I know it's a 1,200 point kind of range, but it is what I am expecting Nifty to be in a sideways zone. So still Nifty is below 25,000. It's a clearly sell on rise. So no buying for me till Nifty cross 25,000 decisively. Now talking about Bank Nifty, closing was around 56,900. Now the support is at 56,000 and the resistance is 57,500. Similarly on Bank Nifty, till we are below 57,500, it's a clearly sell on rise in Bank Nifty. However, in yesterday's session, we saw some good bounce in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was clearly highly oversold. We fell by one day, we fell 1,200. Next day, we fell 2,000 points. So clearly, Bank Nifty was oversold. We could have clearly traded the bounce, but still, for me, my setup says buying only above 57,500. Till Bank Nifty don't close above 57,500, it is a clearly sell on rise market in Bank Nifty. So yes, I want Nifty to close about 25,000 with conviction and Bank Nifty to close 57,500, above 57,500 with conviction. Then only I will say yes, the trend has changed and we can go long in this Nifty and Bank Nifty. Till then, I'll stick with stocks. So JSW Energy looks good to me. Look at Dixon Tech. Dixon also looks very good to me. Clearly yesterday shown signs of reversal and bottoming out. So Dixon Tech, look at REC, PFC, look at this one, Shriram Finance, look at all these stocks. They will do very good. So stock specific moves are there, but indexes, I have given you my levels. So trading only above those levels. So I hope you would have learned a lot. I hope you would have taken the notes and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.